Following Komal Pandey's What I Eat in a Day for a Day. Hey guys, this is Harshila. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is what I eat in a day, but with a twist. And the twist is that I'll actually be following Komal Pandey's What I Eat in a Day for a day, and I am super excited for that because lately she has been looking fire. Like, her body is goals, and I know it has taken her years to reach there, but I just thought that it would be nice if I just try this out for a day. The video was posted like a year ago, and I'm pretty sure a lot must have changed by now, and her diet may be looking a lot different, but that's like the only video that is out there, so I thought of doing that one. Now I have already watched the video and I have some idea as to how I am going to go about it. I also have my mom here with me today because you guys know my cooking knowledge is like zero. Like, I can't really cook, so yeah, she's going to be helping me out throughout the day. Now I'm pretty sure you guys must be knowing who Komal is, but if you guys don't know who Komal is or what she does, she is a content creator and she creates content for YouTube and Instagram, and her Instagram videos, oh my god, are so beautifully done. I think the recent IGTV video wherein she showed festive outfits, oh my god, that was such a breathtaking video. I must have watched that video 100 times on loop. That's how much I liked that video. I also really like her because she's a fellow Gemini, you know, and yeah, I just there are some times when she posts something and I'm just like, oh, that is so relatable. I don't know if it's like a Gemini thing or what, but I'm a proud Gemini that she is Gemini. And also Kritika Khurana is Gemini. I feel like so many people, even Best Dressed, I think Ashley, I think she is a Gemini too, or maybe she's a cusp, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm like really big on zodiac and like all that, so yeah, it just gets me really excited. Even Emma, she's a Gemini, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool. But I've spoken about everything. I'm going to go and have breakfast, and this is what she had for her breakfast, so I am going to try my level best to eat the exact same thing.
इसमें प्याज और मिर्ची वगैरह है, इसको ऑलिव ऑयल में बनाया है, ज़्यादा ऑलिव ऑयल नहीं डाला है, and that's how I like it. And these are some fruits. I'm not sure if I'll have the plum because last time I had these, they tasted extremely sour, so I'm not sure, but I'm a big fan of grapes. That's some warm water, and that's the almond milk टी, एंड ये है जैगरी. अब ये है गुड़ पाउडर. मैं चीनी नहीं लेती हूँ बिल्कुल भी. कितने चम्मच डालोगे? 1 चम्मच. एक और डालो ना. हाँ, एक और डाल दो.
So my mom is making chila. I think we call it besan chi pori. So my mom is making that. I'm going to start making some chai. I think the only thing that I don't have is the almond milk. So I'm just going to use normal like cow milk that I have. So yeah. So I put everything that her cook had mentioned. I did put you know, onion. Like, it's a normal chila. Onion, mirchi, and काय टाकलं आपण? Kothmir. Yeah, so these are the 3 things that I put, and oh, my mom is giving me a lesson. She's like, dhania bollis tari chalel. Okay mama, dhania bolte. Is the chila, then that's the tea, and she also had some grapes with plum. So yeah, and I've never really tried plum. This is the first time that I'd be eating, and yeah, some hot water. So that's how the breakfast looks like. It's nice. It's a normal besan puri. The first bite that I took had mirchi in it, and it was so spicy. This is the first time that I'm trying plum. I've never really eaten one before, so yeah. It's nice. So I'm quickly going to eat all of this, and I'll probably see you when I have lunch.
So please यहाँ आ जाइए. So this is my bowl, and this is 1 spoon. And this is the second spoon. That's it. इतना लूँगी मैं. और अब मैं इसमें बहुत सारा दाल डालूंगी, बहुत सारा दाल डालूंगी. सो बेसिकली द पॉइंट हियर इज दैट चावल कम, सब्जी और दाल बहुत सारा. तो अब ये दाल डाला है इसमें. एंड नाउ सब्जी. तो अब हम ये सब्जी डालेंगे बहुत सारी. Oh my god, I love beans. Normally I like having achar or like garlic chutney with it, but
I asked my mom to make the exact same thing what she had, which is brown rice and some dal or with some beans wala sabzi. So yeah, that is what my mom has made and I'm going to be eating that right now. Not the greatest fan of brown rice, and for my lunch I usually have like 2 rotis, some sabzi, and I also like to have rice only in the afternoon. So yeah, and she only had brown rice, so yeah, I hope that I should be full. So this is my bowl and this is the brown rice, so I'm just going to be taking like, she took about 2 spoons of it maybe, yeah, but her spoon was a little bigger, so I'm just going to take maybe a little. Okay, so I'm going to be putting dal now, so as she did. Okay, so with that I'm also going to be adding some sabzi to it. So this is how my lunch looks like, just some brown rice and sabzi and dal. So this is how the lunch looks like, and I don't usually have brown rice, so even while we were cooking, like my mom has never ever cooked you know, brown rice. So yeah, we were just figuring it out together and then finally we made this. The only time that I have had brown rice is either at a friend's place or if I'm out and you know, the dish, it comes with the brown rice, only then. Otherwise I've never really opted for it, but I have heard that it's a lot healthier option, so yeah, that's great. I also really like eating my rice with a lot of sabzi and a lot of dal. I mean, my eating habits are pretty healthy like that, so yeah. Got done eating and I'm still hungry, yeah, and I want to eat more, but that's all that she had, so I'm just going to just wait until she has some snack or something like that. Also, it was a little spicy, so don't mind. That happens with me all the time whenever I eat something spicy.
it's called nachni chips. मेरे घर में कम से कम 3 से 4 बार महीने में आता है. These are also not very expensive. How much is this for? 70 rupees. Actually no, these are expensive, sorry. This. So these are green tea, right? I have never been a green tea person. मैं इनफैक्ट दुनिया की सबसे अनहेल्दी इंसान हुआ करती थी up until
it's around 4 o'clock right now and I am going to like snack on something. So this is what she had. I think she had nachni chips, like ragi chips, so I'm just going to have that. This is already open because I actually asked my brother to get it for me and he tasted it before me. So yeah, and this is actually my first time trying nachni chips. इसके पहले I think I've tried the corn wala chips. I've also tried the jackfruit wala chips. Those are really good, and even like dried apples. Oh my god, like they make for like really healthy snacks. But yeah, this is the first time that I'll be trying ragi. I do know how nachni ka roti tastes and also bhakri. I mean, I've tasted it and I haven't, like, I'm not a fan. So let's just see how this tastes. Oh, not bad. I think anything fried and like with spices on it tastes really good. Oh man, this is really good. I mean, my expectations are like here and this tastes so good. I mean, like, I'm blown. This is so good. Why did I not really try this before? Such guilt-free snacking, right?
Salad. So I ordered grilled chicken salad from this place called Salad Company in Gurgaon. I love their salads. Sometimes I also order crispy chicken salad in the daytime for lunch, but I don't want to have anything fried because crispy chicken is fried raat ko. So I'm having grilled chicken.
So Okay, it's dinner time right now, and for her dinner, she had a grilled chicken salad, and she ordered it from Salad Company, which is in Gurgaon. But I obviously live in Mumbai, and the best that I could get at this hour was Subway. So I have ordered chicken salad, but peri peri chicken salad. So I'm not a big salad person, but someday I would really like to be one, because I really like how light it is, and yeah, you just like, there are like bunch of veggies, and if you're a big fan of like eating vegetables, it's really good. So I'm just going to dive in. Oh, by the way, this is how my salad looks like. I just got done eating, and we have successfully gotten through this day. Not that going into it I was scared or anything, because I had watched this video earlier, and I knew what I would be eating, but I just didn't know if the portions would be right, or I just didn't know if I would be full. But yeah, I feel pretty good, even though I had my dinner pretty early. I think, as she mentioned, I don't know if she mentioned at what time does she eat, but I usually eat at around 9-9:30. Sometimes if I'm working, it's 10, which I know is not nice. But yeah, I had it around 8 o'clock, which is still pretty early for me. And the salad was really nice, so I enjoyed it. What I personally feel about her diet, not that I'm criticizing or I'm commenting, but I really liked it, is that she started her day with the heaviest meal, and then she ended it on the lightest meal, which is something that I personally really want to start doing. And this was pretty good. Like, I tried it for the day, and I'm gonna see how I feel about it, and like if I sleep properly or no, because I don't know if like, I don't know if it's just me, but I honestly, like, doesn't matter how tired am I, but I have to be full. Only then I get a good night's sleep. Just let me know if it's just me, or like, do you guys also feel that? Because I've asked so many of my friends, and everybody keeps telling me that that's not how it works for them. Like, if they're tired, they're just like really tired and they will fall asleep. It just doesn't happen with me. And she also mentioned that she's an early riser, so am I. She also mentioned that her eating habits are pretty healthy, so are mine. I could relate to her so much while she was talking. But yeah, I had a lot of fun filming this. Let me know if there's anyone else that you guys have in mind, who's what I eat in a day I should follow, and I would love to do that for you guys. And yeah, I am pretty happy. I also really liked all the meals that I had. I mean, the chila was really good. I also tried plum for the first time, and also ragi chips was something new that I had not had earlier. So yeah, it was a pretty good start to this series, and I do plan on continuing this series on the channel. So yeah, if you, I think I mentioned that already, I keep repeating things, but yeah, you get the drill. Also, make sure you come back tomorrow, because I'm posting every single day. So see you. Bye. Forgot to say, if you like this video, then please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it would mean the world to me, because I'm literally posting every single day. So please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. So yeah, that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.